Good morning from Mazatlan. Yes, we are finally here. And this is the view from our balcony. Every room here has a partial view because the hotel's shaped like a triangle. So if you're on this side, you look that way. If you're on the other side, you look that way. That's the main drag that comes all the way down. There's nothing but restaurants and souvenir shops and I guess bars and stores where you can buy stuff. We were out there last night and we actually had dinner over right there over Gus's, which was pretty good. Entertainment was great. But all these streets have side roads where you can actually just walk right down to the beach, all public access. So if you stayed in Mazatlan, you don't necessarily have to be on this side of the street. You could actually be on the other side too, now that we see it, and just walk across. Yeah, you have to carry your crap, but that might be the case anyway. Here's some tourists right now heading for the beach. At any rate, I'll tell you a little bit more either during breakfast or after breakfast. Looking ahead is our hotel, Royal Villas is the name of it, and so far it's pretty good. We had some problems with the air conditioning that we're going to see if we can work out, or they'll probably move us. Jeannie's good at getting us moved to better rooms. So yesterday there was a wedding and the place was packed. They're all gone now, so we're going to see what we can do to upgrade ourselves today. Here's the front of the hotel. This is the RT version, so it's very, very fast. And the driver is very, very experienced. Gracias. Buenos días. There's another form of the transportation in Mazatlán. So Jeannie did her thing, and we got upgraded from the 5th floor up to the 11th floor, and the room is much nicer. I'm going to bring you through that in a second. Nice view. Hola. And we are already unpacking here, so Got a nice kitchen. Get this knapsack off. And 2 queens. Pretty simple. Little TV. And our balcony. View of the city and the main drag where all the stores and restaurants and souvenir shops are. And then here is the balcony ocean view. And the pool area. Check out this guy. And that's about it. It's a good upgrade, that's for sure. And we have what looks like an island out there that might or might not need to be investigated. We'll see. Lots of happy swimmers, so I guess there's no undertow or riptides. Is that?
No way, look at the kids.
Right. Jeannie says there's no way there's a riptide or undertow because there's too many kids out there. And then you got your normal beach salespeople. And then I see some strolling musicians coming. Are these mariachis? What would be called mariachis? Not sure. Definitely enough to do here in Mazatlán.
Yeah, because I'm sure they'll probably be
Let's go check out some of the early evening entertainment here on the beach. Yankees. All right. Yes. Everybody is having an awesome time. We'll get a little sunset time lapse going in shortly. And here's our lifeguard making sure everybody's safe. Everybody. You'll be famous on YouTube now. Our pool. Another wedding going on over there. Small. Yesterday there was a huge wedding going on. They're all gone now. I am going to venture to guess or wager that tomorrow this place will be empty. And hopefully Jeannie and I will have this place all to ourselves.
I don't know about empty, but at least 50% left.
Right.
Most of the people that I see right now are locals.
Right.
I don't see that many Americans.
Me either. I just don't think this is, I think this is a huge tourist destination for, yeah, for locals who are, you know, within the 200-mile range. All right, let's shut this down.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Okay.
No.
Now, so we're off to dinner at Fish. We met a guy from San Francisco in Rico's coffee shop right there this morning, and he said to definitely go over here because it's really good. So that's what we're gonna give it a shot.
You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.
Two? Outside or inside? Is that okay? Thank you. No, over here? Maybe?
Whichever one you like. Which one do you like?
Right here.
Okay.
So that was really good.
Oh, where I'd rather